To get the invite, there was a qualifying race in Virginia called the Jefferson Cup. And it was a qualifier for the Nature Valley Pro Chase. And a lot of folks showed up for that, and a lot of people were gunning for it. And we all went off and raced. We sorted it out. I didn't win the race. The guy who did, a fantastic young rider, he was a couple places up in front of me. He actually sprinted away from us all and got the victory. And we all knew that he was going to get the slot, and that was fantastic. But his entire team got pulled to come to the Nature Valley Grand Prix. So then it fell to whoever was next in line. The guy who got second was a professional, and then I got third. So it became my slot. We just got back from a ride. It was exciting to meet my fellow teammates that I'm going to be racing with. It's exciting to get to know them. Exciting to see the other teams that are here and how enthusiastic they are. So there's a lot of energy here. It's an exciting place to be, an exciting time to be here. My expectation is that we're going to have some competition that's going to be very challenging. It's going to challenge us to our limits. We're going to see where those limits are, and we're going to do the best we can to compete. My style is strongman racing. I like the flats. I like the breakaway. I like the downhills. I can survive the uphills as long as it doesn't get too hot. But that's where I want to get out in my own wind and make other guys try to chase me.